how we can really use technology, moving from an information society to a human-centered society backed by science, technology, and innovation.
Now, it is very important, especially when we support smart city initiatives, where there will be increased data usage, increased or massive machine-to-machine type of communication, and support for real-time mission-critical applications.
But again, something that I really appreciate is the openness for other agencies, for example, the health agency, education, citizenship, transportation, and so on, to work together with us and to share the data with us and to shape the policy based on the data.
But if there is some way to have the data access to other people through some specific secure APIs, then what will happen? Those people can develop their own use cases, own applications that can give us much more open applications for the users, citizens, that will improve our quality of life.
Even states now have to be a bit more commercial oriented in terms of making sure that we get ROI and that it does actually deliver the benefits and the efficiency that we want in growing. In terms of collecting data as a result of keeping people safe is how do you maintain digital trust?
So in terms of the partnership, we need to work with all partner, not only the solution partner, but we need to work with like a global partner as well to bring the know-how and technology.
You get a magic of a smart city, but to make it sustainable, to make people want to move in, you need to create a sense of belonging. You have to create a sense that there's a functions, like educational, like social, like cultural, like recreational, that makes people want to feel as though they could belong there. And once they feel as though they could belong there, the sense of historical, cultural, social milieu will be created as a result.
It is not just about the trophy projects that we're looking at. It's about how do we grow, how do you get economic growth and yet not sacrifice some of the things that were mentioned by the speakers about how do you not sacrifice your heritage, your charm.
If you're implementing or trying to deploy a successful smart city project, it's really two things. It's first one, it's creating the awareness that there are available technologies, advanced technologies for that matter, that are available in the market. And two, the means of replicating those projects to more cities as fast as possible, right? So the first few projects that we've had in partnership with the government was really building local government command centers. 5G is an enabler. It's an innovative platform for consumers and enterprises to develop new use cases and solutions. This will include introduction of new sensors, devices, actuators, and more importantly, applications that leverages on this data and convert it to timely AI and machine learning solutions.
Collectively, ASEAN as a market, how do we position ourselves and what are the unique smart solutions within ASEAN that is applicable to the member states?
We have to be able to make sure that people are literate enough in terms of how they understand the value of their data, the viabilities of how data can be used against or for them, and so on. So I think to make smart city sustainable and replicable and scalable throughout the ASEAN regions, there has to be a kind of agility in the process whereby we live and learn the importance of data management and security.
It's a very exciting time and it's an inevitable transformation that we have to go through. I like to see it as a journey and that we cannot lose sight of the stakeholders in this journey, right? Obviously, it's going to be the residents and the stakeholders, the enterprises in the ecosystem that we have.